welcome to 1106 Fairmount in Travis Heights, minutes from downtown. This is a beautiful place with a rental unit out back, detached. I'm telling you now, you're gonna love it. So this is gonna be a great 15 minutes of your life. Come on in. The finishes are guaranteed not to disappoint. Look at these gorgeous wood floors. We just had these all redone. Now, this is a little bungalow, about 1,750 square feet up front. Look what they did to the ceilings. Soaring ceilings. Took everything out and started over. From the floors, the kitchen. Look, we have a massive kitchen for a house built in this era. With an island with seating, quartz countertops, room for the built-in fridge, really beautiful range, iridescent backsplash, big white country sink, and look at these cabinets with the reflection, uppers, lowers, dishwasher. I mean, everything in this place is wide open. Beautiful light fixtures. Has a separate door here on the side that takes you out to a private courtyard that is right off the front of the house. Really beautiful. All the windows were recently replaced with very high-end, energy-efficient double pane windows. In the front of the house, this wing, first of all, we do have a bar over here with, again, the quartz top. No expense spared. Upper cabinets, lower cabinets, and we have beverage fridges on both sides of the bar. Over here, we have the secondary bedrooms. Everything done with the wood floors, consistent throughout the house. Updated, beautiful wood windows, lots of natural lighting, good sized secondary bedroom, nice sized closets. And in the middle of the two bedrooms is a bathroom that also is beautifully updated. I mean, take a look at the finishes, including a big cabinet for storage with the mirrored sides. And bedroom number two, wood windows. Notice the bedrooms all have ceiling fans, nice sized closet, tons of natural light. This one's off the front of the house, the other one's off the back of the house, but really lots of natural light. Beautiful window treatments already done. Nest thermostat. Wait, do you see this? For those of you who are HGTV fans, how about that? A lot of people have these doors on their wish list, so there you go. Utility room. Inside utility room, great space again. Just take a look at the storage. As you have storage galore for a small house. Quartz tops, all the finishes done throughout really nicely. And room not for a stackable, but for full-size washer dryer. Back of the house, all by itself. Master suite. Take a look at the size of this master bedroom. Wall of windows overlooking the patio. More windows overlooking the back of the house. Gorgeous trees, really pretty setting. Same wood floors, all 1,750 feet, other than the wet areas, have these beautiful wood floors that have, I mean, just been refinished. All the painting has just been complete on the walls. And I will tell you, I sell a lot of houses that are considerably bigger and more expensive than this home. But few of them have nicer master bathrooms than what you see here. White marble finishes. Look at the soaking tub. I mean, it's exceptional. Look at the size of this shower. Walk-in shower is something that we see, but look at this. The drain is a long drain that goes through both sides. But look at the space in the shower. From here to the separate head over here, the details, the front has a Rinnai tankless water heater. As I said, the jetted tub, this is not old school 1990s jetted tub. Just look at the number of jets on the backspace over there. Like it's beautifully done. The fixtures are beautiful. The surround is beautiful. Has its own separate water closet with door. Look at your bowls. I mean, they're gorgeous. Look at the pattern in the stone. I mean, it is, some of the finishes they show are just, they're beautiful, and you don't see them everywhere. And take a look at this for your master closet. Look at the way it's decked out. All the drawers that pull out, including the glass front. I mean, all this is adjustable, the shelving. Tons of hanging space still. This side, all hanging space for 2 levels. Beautifully outfitted closet. So again, main house, 1750 square feet. Unbelievable, beautiful updates. And I think you can see no expense was spared in the remodel. But in addition, it has a really amazing private backyard with a greenhouse and a guest house. Guest house perfect for additional income. Let me show you this. See the colors? Bright yellow door here, front door, lime green. This house speaks to me. Welcome out back. Big outdoor entertaining area, massive trees, lots of overhang, but still, even though I have big trees everywhere, look, I still have natural sunlight coming through. I still have a yard. If you have a dog, I have, if you're into planting, look at this. This is a greenhouse, complete with things that are way above my pay grade, like the watering system, all built in. Louvers that open up these windows to allow natural breeze if you want them. Screens up above to use or not use. This is really well done. And behind me, an incredible guest house. Main house is about 1750 square feet. Guest house, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, living area, kitchen, has its own laundry room, and it has a private little art studio off to the side that's not included in that 600 feet. So in total, about 2,300 square feet. I'm gonna show you from this point a drone shot next to downtown to give you a feel for how close you are to everything. Follow me and let's take a look inside. Welcome to your guest house. You know, there are times where you have family and you love them, but you really don't like them. This is the perfect answer for that. They come visit, they have their own place. At the end of the day, they retire here, you lock the back door to the house, and they can't come in. It's a really good feature. In addition, this would make a perfect office. If you office from home, but you really don't love the idea of being in the house working all day, look at this. Set up everything here, have a full bedroom across, but look, kitchen, beautifully finished out, with fridge, with the range, with microwave. I mean, this is a kitchen. Next to it, utility room. Washer and dryer here. So there's no need, if you're gonna have someone staying back here, for them to come in and out of the main house to do anything. This is where they'll live. This is perfect as an office. This is perfect if you have a mother or mother-in-law who needs to come live with you, or you want to come live with you, but you want to have that privacy and separation, which is really a good thing. This is great for vacation rentals, for nightly rentals, or find a great tenant and rent it out. This back unit has pulled around $1,500 a month before. And as I mentioned, it has its own full bedroom with a walk-in closet and with a great looking bathroom. Nothing chinced, really pretty finishes. great natural light, windows everywhere still, and privacy, right? Great separation between the two units. The backyard is beautiful. The front of this house is pretty. The location's right. Close to South First, South Congress, lots of nightlife, restaurants, all the creature comforts are close by. In addition, we are just minutes from downtown Austin. You have beautiful finishes throughout this remodel. The wood floors are exceptional. They were all just redone. Inside, all just painted again. Cabinets, beautiful. Appliances, light fixtures, door handle. Everything about this place has been beautifully, beautifully redone. Bar area with 2 beverage fridges. You have great separation between bedrooms with the 2 secondary bedrooms in the front of the main house, and the master with the unbelievable master bath, white marble master bath with ginormous walk-in shower and beautifully outfitted closet. Main house is about 1,750 square feet. Out back, really amazing. If you're into potting and plants and things, well, that place is exceptional. As you just saw in the video, with the louvers, with the water already run through it. It's for somebody who likes that is a dream come true. The backyard's beautifully landscaped. There's tons of parking out front. It's super private in back. And then in the very back, you have the guest house. About another 600 square feet, has its own remodeled bathroom, kitchen. It's a living room plus the bedroom with a walk-in closet, its own utility area, and to the side has an art studio. That is perfect if somebody wants to work from home but not be in the house all the time, or if you have a mom who's going to come live with you, or if you want to do vacation nightly rentals, or if you want to do just have the income coming in, $1,500 or so a month coming in from rental. It's a great way to offset the cost, and it is detached. All of this, priced at $899,000, but the shoes don't come with the house.